doing today? It's Kyle Earhart with the Leisa Erickson Group over at Engel and Volkers in downtown St. Pete, and today we're going to talk about a few things while investing in real estate. Welcome to 102nd Lane over in Largo, Florida, Leisa Erickson Group, Engel and Volkers' newest investment opportunity. So one of the things to look for is location. So whether you're nestled in a nice country setting like this while still being 20-25 minutes to the beaches, Indian Rocks Beach, 30 minutes to downtown St. Pete. You also want to look into, how's the walkability? Is there any bars or restaurants around? Also the schools. These are just some of the top things that people are looking for while investing in the real estate. Another thing to look for if there's any parks or anything recreational within the community. All right, the second thing that I look for is the neighborhood data. What I do is I go through the neighborhood, I pull up any comps, recently solds, active listings, pending listings, and if any properties have been recently leased. If you're looking for a buy and hold, which this property is a great example of, is you want to try to avoid flood zones and HOA costs. Those are going to pretty much be a holding cost to you that you're going to have to cover for the tenant. It's just going to kind of narrow down that money that's going to be going into your pocket. The third thing that I look for is the renovation cost. So, for instance, for example, for this home it has a newer roof on it, newer HVAC, and new hurricane impact windows. Now, that's a cost that you're not going to have to pay for. You have to keep that in mind when you're purchasing a property like this. So you're really going to have to do cosmetic things. And as a rental, you don't need to have top of the line finishes in there. So if you're looking for maybe some new paint, some new carpet, maybe some newer appliances, that's all you have to do. All right, thanks guys for watching. Again, my name is Kyle Earhart. I'm with the Leisa Erickson Group in Engel and Volkers, St. Pete. Until next time.